Okay, class, so yesterday you learned about prisms, and you had to watch the video over the notes, and then I made a 5-minute video over the assignment, and then you had 6 problems to do yesterday. Well, when I looked online, a lot of y'all did not do anything during class time, so I need you to do that, or else it's a 0 on both of those, the video and the assignment. So right now, some of y'all are failing because you have 2 zeros in there, so get that done. Plus, you have to do this. Today, we're learning about pyramids, triangular pyramids. Yesterday, you learned about prisms. Now, we're going to be learning about pyramids. So, I see the word again, triangular. On a prism, that means that's your base. So, same situation. This is your base. This is your base. It's a triangle. Okay? Those are your bases. I'm going to label those B. So, has one triangular base. It has 3 triangular lateral faces, which is the same thing as sides. So, see that I'm dealing with triangles. So, formula of area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Like yesterday, if it's asking for total area of the entire figure, that means you'd find the area of this triangle, this one, this one, this one, and add them all up. Lateral means sides. So if we look at this pyramid right here, okay, I see that when I turn it, the sides are triangles, but the base is triangles. So I'll just say that this is the base, because that's, if you bring these 3 together, it makes a pyramid. So here's the base. Now here are the sides. Okay. Then the next one would be a rectangular pyramid. So see the word rectangular? It could be a square. Sometimes it might be a square, which is the same formula, okay? Has one rectangular base, or it could be a square. So here is a base. I see that here's a base, and here's the base. I'll label that B for base. And since a rectangle or a square has 4 sides, you have 4 triangular lateral sides. So I see that we're working with a rectangle, which is base times height, or a square. Triangle, 1/2 base times height. Total means the area of this entire figure. So you would do 4 triangles, 1 square that looks like a square. Lateral again means sides. The sides of a pyramid are your triangles. So this is your base. These are your sides. Okay, so let's practice. So turn it to the back. This one, if I look at this, this is the base. If you don't have a highlighter, just put a big B on there. That's your base. And then these are your sides. So I would automatically label these before you even start. Okay? So now, this is, if I look at the base, this is a square pyramid because the base is a square. Lateral means sides. I see that my sides are triangles, and there's 3 of them. Formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So I would fill these in. That's 6. So they're saying this height is 7. The base is 6. Okay. Base is 6, height is 7. I want to take half of 6, which is 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. Well, if I look at this triangle, and this triangle, it looks like they are all the same length because there's not different heights. So I could times that by, how many triangles do I have? 4. And I get 84 for the lateral. Now they want total. So my sides are 84. Now we have to include my base, and there's only one base. Well, my base is a square, which is base times height. Square, all sides are the same, so 6 times 6 is 36. So now I have to add 84 plus 36. 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 120 is your total. So my lateral is 84, my total would be 120. So next one, we need to label my base. My base is a triangular, it's a triangle, so triangular. And this is a pyramid. Okay. I'm going to label that B. Now these are my sides then. Sides, sides, sides. Lateral means sides. And I have triangle times 3. So that's area equals 1/2 base times height. So my sides, if you look right here, the 8 goes with this, and my 9 is the base here. So I'm going to look at my sides. So the 9 right here is my base. The height of this, let me move it over. The height of this we don't know, but we notice that all of those triangles are the same size. So my height is 8. I'm going to take half of 8, which is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. But I have 3 sides that are all equal, so times that by 3, which is 18, 108. My sides is 108. We got to do my base. Well, my base right here in the center is the same length as one of my sides. And one of my sides was 36. So I'm going to replace that with 36. So we didn't have to do any math on that one. So then I would add these two. 8 plus 6 is 14. 144.